guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title, it's snowing, or it snowed in Texas. Now I know you guys noticed something different. We will get to that in a second. I have braces. If you want to know all about my braces and why I have them and what happened, I feel like so much has happened since the last time I uploaded a vlog, but so much has happened. So if you guys want to know why I have braces now, see what happened, like, oh my god, what's really going on, then check out my other page, my fashion page, Monet's Curvy Closet, and I'll tell you all the details. I actually uploaded a couple videos over there regarding my weight loss journey, my braces, all that good stuff. So go ahead and check it all out and you'll find out why I'm wearing braces, why I'm talking funny, you know, all the good stuff. But it's snowing in Texas, like, oh my god. Anyway, so I want to take you guys today on a vlog. We're doing a little grocery shopping with my mom. I would show you guys her, but she never likes to be on camera. But so we're doing a little grocery run, and I wanted to show you guys, I know you guys have seen all of the videos and the blogs and stuff about Texas and the bad weather, and I will get into all of that. Thank God me and my family have been safe and all that good stuff. Had a little minor scare for about an hour. Our lights went out, but we were so blessed because we've had our heat, our water, all that good stuff. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Jesus. But I know there's a lot of families that did not, and so continue to pray for those families and continue to pray that everything works out for those families, because it got really, really rough, y'all. As y'all can see, it was snowing like it's crazy. But anyway, I'll tell you guys more about that and more of my thoughts. I'm gonna run in here to the post office. I gotta ship some orders. Yeah, see, I can't even talk. It's so weird. I'm still getting used to them, but I'm gonna ship some orders out. If you guys have not already, please check out my website, monetscurvycloset.com, where I you know, resell my clothing that I do for my hauls on my fashion channel. So if you guys are my size and you want to get some cute digs, then check out all that good stuff on my website and also on my channel. But I'm about to finally go ship out these orders because of the snow and everything and the lights and stuff going out. I couldn't even ship some of the orders for the last couple days because their lights wasn't working, or they were only taking cash and their internet and stuff was down. So hopefully I'll be able to ship off these orders and get to going, and then we're gonna go grocery shopping and get a couple things if we can. It's so bare. I'm gonna throw in a clip of when I went to Walmart a couple days ago. So this is insane. Texas is in an uproar, and this is what they do, because they are in a so-called snowstorm. Chicago, look at this. This is not even the pandemic. This is their snowstorm. Lord have mercy. Look, it wasn't even the pandemic why everything was so gone. It was everybody, you know, rushed because Texas can't take the weather here of snow, right? So everybody got paranoid. It was barely anything on the shelves. Hopefully we find something, I don't know, but I will show you guys. So let's go. Hey guys, so we made it to Aldi's, and I'm so upset. I just dropped my camera. God, I'm so upset. If you guys are into the vlogging world, then you know how much it is for a G7X Canon, okay? You see all the wine?
It's gone.
Oh my god, look at all this wine, guys.
Oh my god.
Look at all the wine. Look at all the wine. It's gone. Huh? Oh, they took it down? Oh, okay, so they took the wine down and put it in the carts. I was gonna say, oh my god, people really was panicking and started drinking during the snow. But yeah guys, anyway, I'm a little bummed about that. I can't believe I dropped my camera, but whatever. So anyway, we are here in Aldi's, and actually Aldi's look a little bit better than Walmart. We haven't been to Walmart yet, but it looks a little bit better than, and hey, don't talk about my nails. I'm getting my nails done tomorrow, okay? But Walmart actually looks, I mean, Aldi's look a little bit better than Walmart as far as supplies. We haven't been to Walmart yet, so we shall see. But so hopefully you guys have checked out, or will check out, my other channel as to why I have braces. But a little bit of backstory is, I mean, why else do you get braces? I finally just decided to go ahead and see what my options were. The great thing is I don't have to wear them that long. I only have to wear them about 20 months, so that's about a year, almost 2 years. But we are in a pandemic and we are wearing masks, so nobody's gonna see anyway, so perfect timing. But yeah, hopefully you guys can hear me. But it was snowing. Here's the thing, okay, see, I'm from Chicago, right? So we can definitely bear the snow. We can bear it all. We are mentally, physically, everything prepared, right? Well, in Texas, they're not. So, of course, everyone was panicking. So much was going on. And I mean, it was really snowing. Like, it was really bad. I mean, the roads were icy. I mean, we were just sliding on ice, okay? But again, for me and my family, we're like, okay, we've seen this, you know, but Texas is not prepared for something like that. There were no salt trucks, there were no salt, there was no sand. So they literally shut everything down. My son's virtual schooling and everything stopped. Jobs were closing, offices were closing. Like, nobody was really prepared for, you know, everything. So it was like, it was so interesting to see, because I'm like, you know, we're used to that, but they were not. So it was just kind of interesting and funny to see. But then when everybody's lights and everything went out and power got shut off and all that stuff, it was just like, okay, now this is becoming crazy. And thank God that my family and I, we didn't have to experience that too much. Like I said, we had our lights out for about an hour, but thank God we were able to, you know, keep our heat, keep our lights, keep, you know, food going and all that stuff. So man, it was scary to see all that happening around you. It was so scary, and I definitely was praying each and every day that me and my family stay safe. Today it's sunny outside, so a lot of the snow is melting. So we're out here trying to get some things while we can, but it was crazy. It was crazy. So Texas, I'm gonna need y'all to prepare a little bit better next time. Hopefully this is a lesson learned that y'all may need to get prepared for the unknown. They said, I think the last snowstorm or something like that happened like 30 years ago or so, and then some people said it happened in the early 2000s. I don't know, but I at least thought they would have some salt or something. Nothing. I mean, you would just slide to the next place, okay? To your next destination, just slipping and sliding. So yeah, interesting. What is my mother doing? See, they're pretty stocked up. Pretty stocked up. I'm looking for these chicken things that my daughter and my son likes, but they only have oh, here it is. My daughter and my son love these. What else? Should I get chicken nuggets? I don't know.
nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday mornings I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love. The things I love, 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 love. The things I...
Hey guys, all right, so we made it to Walmart, and looking a little bare. Looking a little bare. See, look at this, look. Fruits a little bare. Vegetables a little bare. Look at that. Look at that. Broccoli, tomato, look at that. Bare. Even organic. Look at that. No bananas. No bananas. Sheesh, look at the bakery. Look at that. Look at this. It's crazy. Look at that bear. Bear. Look at all that bear. All that bear. Oh. We out here like a pack of wild animals trying to get some food, y'all. But look at this. Just nothing. Bare. Pure bareness. Insane. Okay, so like I was saying, I tend to neglect this page, this channel, like a bald-headed stepchild, because I focus so much on my main channel. But I need to stop doing that, guys, because I love you guys over here too. So I'm gonna start, you know, creating some content. And the crazy thing is, it's a lot more easier to make videos for this channel because I can, you know, pretty much do anything and create a video. So you would think I would be dishing out videos left and right, but I don't. But I promise I am, because I actually like being able to just create anything. It's a lot more easier. So I like to say, listen to my mom teaching me my grammar. It's a lot easier. But yeah, so I'm gonna start thinking of different things to start doing, because I guess the reason why I kind of been lacking on the videos is because I feel like I'm not really doing anything besides working in the house, and I work from home. But I guess I gotta start creating things to do. That's what a lot of vloggers do. They create things to do. And it can be anything, you know. For instance, I am going to do a video on washing my hair, so I may record that tomorrow. They definitely have a stock full of tortillas, but look at all of that craziness. But they got a stock full of tortillas. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna be recording a video tomorrow on washing my hair. And then I'll come up with some other things. I did want to do a video of doing some Valentine. Oh, how were you guys Valentine's? day. How did you guys feel the love in the air? I wanted to do like some cute little Valentine's Day boxes with the kids, but it was kind of last minute, so I didn't do it. But that'll be a great idea for next time, for next year. You know that challenge you thought they were doing, the June bug? I want to do it. What's the challenge? That one. So let me tell you about the journey of eating while I have braces. It sucks. You don't get no Aunt Jemima? No, this was an Aunt Jemima at Walmart. It was another at Walmart. I mean at Aldi's. Look at her.
It was a bonus.
But it wasn't Aunt Jemima, it was a different brand.
Oh yeah, the Walmart brand.
So let me tell you, eating sucks because I feel like I can't eat. I've already broken one of my brackets eating some walnuts. I've already broken one of my brackets and I have to go on Monday to get it fixed. Well, you knew that was gonna run out.
They ain't got no flavor.
The flavor water is all the way down there.
Oh, I need some.
Anyway, for the 7th time, I can't eat. Say hi. I am.
I've never been in a vlog before, but that's a nice camera.
Thank you. Say hi.
Good one. Hey.
Bye.
Denton, Texas. Maybe it's considered Lake Dallas. Not sure. Shout out.
Do
Dallas,
you have
Texas,
an IG?
Triple D. I do. It's gonna be Psizzle, PSIZZLE 8228. I just wanted to say I hope everybody's getting through these tough times here in Texas.
Yes.
It's not easy, but when you have each other's backs like this, it makes it a little bit easier, y'all. Have a great one.
Yeah, bye. That was cool. So cool. He's cool. But yeah, so it's hard to eat. I mean, that's all I can say. It's hard to eat. I've already broken one of my brackets and I just feel like I can't eat like I want to. Like, it's just so tough. And I only got the top ones on. I go back in April to get the bottom ones on. Not looking forward to that. So yeah, but pain is beauty, beauty is pain, however they say it. And yeah, I just try to think to myself, in about 2 years I will have some pretty straightened teeth. Well, I'm gonna be all up in the camera like this.
You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things we don't have to move so fast. Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of.
Hey guys, so we are back home and every time I get on the camera she always gonna make some noise. What is it? Say hi. Show them your hair. Show them your hair. And your eyes. Where's your eyes? Eyes. No, Mama, your eyes. Where's your ears? That's your ear. Good job. Where's your nose? Good job, Mama. Where's your hands? Good job. Where's your feet? Good Good job, Mama. Where's your belly? Belly? That's your chest. Where's your belly? Good job. Where's your mouth? Good job, Mama. Smile. Show me your smile. Say cheese. Good job, Mama.
On spot, on cue. Okay.
Hi, Jax. Hey, Jackie. Hey, Jackie. Is Jackie your best friend, Mama? Yeah, Jackie's your best friend. These two are like two peas in a pod. They get each other in trouble. Right? Right? Mm-hmm. These are some cans. We just picked up a couple things, you know. So we got some cans of tomato. I think my mom's gonna make some chili. And then I bought some. Has anybody had some of these? I thought these would be a little bit healthier than the regular chips that I like to have. But I bought some kettle cooked mesquite barbecue chips. I think they're gonna be good. I think I had some before, but I don't know. I can't remember. And then I bought my son some Cheez-Its. He likes the Cheez-Its. I'm trying to do a little bit better in the options of snacks and stuff. So, you know, reduced fat, low calorie, all that good stuff, right? So we got some reduced Cheez-Its. I got my mosquito cooked. Oh, I was hooked on these things, okay? If anybody else knows about skinny popcorn, so good. So good. So good that I don't even crave them anymore because I think I ate too much. But, and I even got my mama eating them. Like, now she really likes them. So, I recommend you guys trying some skinny popcorn. Also, pistachios. Now, see, I'm a sunflower seeds girl, but obviously that's too much salt. So, I tried to do a little bit better and get some pistachios. Now, because of my braces, I can't eat the shell. So, I got the one with no shell. But they're actually a good snack. I have to kind of be in the mood to eat them. But they are a good snack actually. So you guys should try that too. And we have some cereals, Hill Cheerios, oh, and Crunch Cinnamon. This is really, really good. Really, really good. I wish I could have some, but I can't. And then we have some Honey Nut Cheerios. We got some sugar, regular sugar, brown sugar. And then like some little knick-knack stuff. Pretty much. And then protein bars. We also bought we also got some blueberries. Amara really, really loves the blueberries. Like, she really, really loves blueberries. And then we also got some wraps. So I'm trying to stay away from bread. I actually haven't had bread in a long time. But I wanted to make some tacos, and so we got the low carb tortillas. And yeah, I had some taste for some really good tacos. So I think I'm gonna make some tacos this week. And yeah. Amar, what are you doing? Are you helping put the groceries away? No. No, you're not. No, you're not. You're not putting the groceries away.
Oh.
Can you get your hands off there? Josiah.
Hi.
Oh, Mama, you helping? You putting the groceries away? You help Nana put the groceries away? Or are you making a mess?
Say hi. Say hi.
Come on, give me a chair.
No, that was the chair.
Go ahead. You know how to do it.
Maybe that one is restricted.
Go ahead. She wasn't. Mama, come on, go ahead. Good job. Go ahead. Go.
I'll give you a little boost.
Go ahead.
I'll give you a little boost. Come on.
Oh God. There we go. Good job. Yay. Okay.
Have they sent out an email about school? I'm pretty sure we're coming back next week. Yay! Yay! Everything's melting.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You have something to say? Huh? Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Well, coming back to my channel, watching my vlog. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have some more. What? What do you want? Huh? Anyway, thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And we will see you on another video. You want to say bye? Say bye.
No, it's working.
Say bye.
It's not working.
Say cheese. Smile. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Thank you. Say bye.